So in today's video, we are going to learn how to count numbers from 1 to 20 in French. So let's begin from numbers 1 to 10. Un, un, deux, deux, trois, trois, quatre, quatre, cinq, cinq, six, six, sept, sept, huit, huit, neuf, neuf, 10, 10. So we're going to say that one more time. Un, un, deux, deux, trois, trois, quatre, quatre, cinq, cinq, six, six, sept, huit, huit, neuf, neuf, 10, 10. Now from numbers 11 to 20, let's begin. Onze, onze, douze, douze, treize, treize, quatorze, quatorze, quinze, quinze, six, six, dix-sept, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-huit, dix-neuf, dix-neuf, vingt, vingt. Let's start from the beginning. Onze, onze, douze, douze, treize, treize, quatorze, quatorze, quinze, quinze, seize, six, dix-sept, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-huit, dix-neuf, dix-neuf, vingt, vingt. So from 11 to 20, if you notice from number 17 to 19, they're just the original 7 to 9, but then we added this before the number. Dix-sept, dix-sept, set is 7, so this is 10. Remember I said this is 10, so 10 plus 7 is 17. That's why we say dix-sept. The same thing for dix-huit, dix-neuf. So for that section, you just add this in front of the number, and then we now have 20. Vingt, vingt. Now we say for the question and answer section. How do we say 10 in French? That's right. This. This. Now how do we say 16 in French? Says. Says. How do we say 3 in French? Trois. Trois. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. And if you have any questions, just feel free to give it to me in the comment section. And I also have a short that I made about numbers 1 to 20, so you can go check it out. And the link is going to be in the description box below. And if you think you need to learn more or you need to refresh, you can always go back and watch this video again.